If you want your Calendly meetings to automatically create Zoom links, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link Zoom to Calendly in just a few simple steps so your meeting setup becomes faster, smoother, and fully automated. This is perfect for coaches, freelancers, sales teams, interviewers, and anyone who schedules meetings online. And if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Integrations. This is where Calendly lets you connect with other tools and services that make scheduling much easier. On the Integrations page, find Zoom. You can usually search for it or scroll until you see it. When you spot Zoom, click Connect. This will start the connection process between your Calendly and Zoom accounts. Next, Calendly will ask you to sign in to your Zoom account. Enter the email and password for the Zoom account you want to use for meetings. Make sure you're signing into the correct Zoom account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or use Zoom for business. After signing in, Zoom will show you an authorization prompt. This step is very important because it gives Calendly permission to create Zoom meetings on your behalf. Click Authorize to allow Calendly to access Zoom. Once that's approved, the two apps are now linked. Now that the integration is connected, go back to Calendly and head over to Scheduling. From there, open the event type you want to use with Zoom. This could be a one-on-one meeting, a consultation, a discovery call, or any other event type you already have set up. Inside the event type settings, look for the location section. This is where you choose how your meeting will be held. Click the location option and select Zoom Meeting. This tells Calendly to automatically generate a Zoom link every time someone books that event type. After selecting Zoom Meeting, don't forget the final step. Click Save and Close to apply your changes. This is what locks in the integration for that specific event type. Once saved, any new booking for that event will include a Zoom meeting link automatically, saving you time and making your scheduling workflow much more professional. If you want, you can repeat the same process for other event types too, so all of your Calendly bookings can use Zoom wherever needed. And that's it. You've successfully linked Zoom to Calendly. From now on, your meetings can be created with Zoom links automatically, which means less manual work and fewer mistakes. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.